Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add border to text box in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening your Canva application, just simply create a design or open an existing design into your Canva. And now after creating a design into your Canva, you just simply have to select this text option and add a text box at first. I'm using this one here, and after entering this, you just simply have to find the option of effects into the bottom bar. Just simply tap into that effects option, and now from here you can choose border for your text box. Just simply select the border that you like, and after that you are all set. This way you can easily add a border to your text or text box into Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.